check in on people. Deep's Freedom School is like a modern take on the original, 1960s freedom schools, which originally were to, show people that they do have rights. And that's essentially, what we're doing today.
We are helping connect the dots back to elders from the past, but we're also asking questions about looking ahead.
Jackson came in and spoke to us, and she was in freedom schools in the 1960s during the civil rights movement, and so she talked about her experience in freedom schools and also her experience doing sit-ins. So it was cool to talk about how things have changed and then kind of stay the same, and how this is kind of a tradition.
You are young. What do you want to see your community to be? You are the future. You're the one.
We have opportunities for young people to lead workshops about things that they have knowledge on or things they're curious about.
We discussed banner making and the way we made banners, just things that were important to us. My group focused on community building and affordable houses, those things. Other people focus on free mental health.
There is time to be serious, but also time to play, and we're really, really intentional about that. So there's a good mix of both.
It's been fun. We've tried and done different things. I've experienced different things I've never experienced before. We do libations all the time. We read Landing Hundreds. I read it today.
My hope is that through the fun and camaraderie that we had at Freedom School, we can see ways of using art as a tool of activism, a way of rallying people around a cause.
It's been friendly, welcoming, kind of surprised. They just jump into conversation, and I learned later, they probably didn't even know each other at first.
Really nice to see the progression of Freedom School, because I've been a part of it for 3 years. It's really nice to see, how every year different people come in and they go out with different takeaways. Lots of new faces this year who are just really, really excited